Here's Cyril, working his ass off.
Yeah, please.
What are you working on?
On a pitot tube. So this is a lower tube for the static pressure, and this is a dynamic pressure tube. I will try to keep it like that.
And that thing goes on top of here. And we'll pass the tubing through here and the screws through here, and then we have a airspeed sensor on the X8.
Ready to rumble.
Ready to rumble.
We're not gonna be able to align it, but maybe 90 degrees then.
Okay. Have you set the heading?
Yeah, I put it at 60 degrees. If you check the map, it looks kind of nice. Wow, this guy's happy.
There's no happier guy right here. Maybe to you.
The GoPro is okay.
Okay, watch out so you don't get stuck in that rope again.
Yeah. Oh my fucking god. Should I bring it back?
Cyril, what are you doing?
I am untightening the rear motor mount and the thing to align them vertically.
Wow.
Crazy stuff, engineering stuff.
Wow.
Är det din båt?
Nej.
I think it was not funny enough. It was making weird sounds.
Oh, you feel some.
Are you warm? We were the muscles, huh?
Yeah.
rolling.
Like it was crazy. Like with that one, I did so much drag. Like you can't do anything. You just go backwards.
It's like a parachute. Oh yeah.
Better be happy.
Fuck me, it's cold!
Så, nu är de här på video.
It's